Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HX Stomp and getting audio out of it so you can hear changes, plug into an amp or headphones. Next, load the preset you want to control and assign the foot switches you'll use. Once done, open Global Settings and enable Snapshot mode, then choose how many snapshots, 1 through 8, you need for that preset so you have clear, repeatable scenes to edit and recall quickly. Now you build each snapshot. Enter Snapshot Edit for the preset and pick a slot to record. You should change block states, toggle bypasses, and set parameter levels for that slot so each snapshot is a distinct scene. While doing this, play the guitar and listen. Adjust in real time until the transition feels musical. Once one snapshot is right, copy and paste it to other slots to save time, then tweak parameters that must differ between scenes. To finish, practice recalling snapshots with foot switches or via MIDI. Choose transition behavior, snap for instant, float for smooth parameter morphs, so you get the intended feel between scenes. Make sure to save the preset to commit snapshot changes and back it up to SD or HX Edit. If you encounter glitches when switching, check MIDI clock and routing, confirm buffer settings and latency, and update firmware. These often fix missed commands and audio dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.